Item number 19, item number 18. My senior, Mr. P.D. Nair, couldn't come to the court because of water loss.
How could you come?
So there was no water in my.
How could I come?
Another place, madam. We have
I don't have a helicopter.
in some area still, my lord, a helicopter is required. No electricity, no drinking water.
Cannot be worse than my area.
No, I think you know this will better.
Item number?
18.
Yes, Guwahati High Court.
Yes, my lord, yeah.
Okay, when? 19 matter, when?
No, actually, my lord, whether any life is there or not, my lord, I will kindly see the respondent, my lord. The appointment of the private respondent, respondent number 6 was salient.
Now 6 is what?
I will kindly, no? Respondent number 8, my lord. So already, that's why, my lord, it
No,
has.
no, her senior is not there. So
No problem.
we'll have it on Friday, madam.
No, my lord, here in this case, my lord, affidavit also not filed, my lord, because it was earlier, my lord, it was handled by the.
No, Mr. Mahanta, what you have just
Yes,
indicated, if it has got no life, then Friday we can take a call.
Yes, yes,
Otherwise,
yes,
we'll grant you
yes.
time. Okay.
Possibly,
File. On a prayer made on behalf of Sri P.D. Nair Learned Council for the petition, a matter is adjourned to be listed on Friday.
Highly obliged.
Take instructions, madam, from your senior, whether there is any life in this matter.
Yes, Lord.
Just a matter.
name has been stuck off, even
Knock off.
stuck off. But that was the that prayer number 1, A, B, C related to him. Only now remain part is a retrospective promotion, my lord. That part only.
Okay, we'll look
My
into
lord.
it.
Develop.
This is also item number 15, no? Friday. Okay, yes.
Lordship, may I pray for accommodation for today in item number 4, your Lordship?
Today, every accommodation granted.
Lord,
Item number 4, when?
Lordship, Mr. Bhomik was appearing for the petitioner. He
He was
asked-
insisting on this matter.
Yes, he
Every
asked
time
me
you are
if-
taking time.
he asked me to request your Lordship if it can be tomorrow. Otherwise,
Why tomorrow?
Mr. Bhomik expressed some urgency for the petition. I am for the respondent.
3. Is there any representation from his part?
I have informed him that I'll be
No,
mentioning.
no. Is anyone of his part? Okay.
Item number 8. Item 4. He missed 5.
Okay. You are seeking the accommodation.
I'm speaking.
Okay. On the prayer made by Sri K.P. Pathak, Learned Standing Council, APDCL, matter is adjourned to be listed tomorrow?
Yes.
Tomorrow. 8 to 8 a.m. already. Might assign code.
Obliged.
Please, Your Lordship. I beg to mention item number 6 with the consent of the other side.
Item number 6.
Lordship.
Yes.
Miss R. Bora has some personal difficulty, Lordship. Kindly, madam, may we fix next week, Lord.
Okay.
Lordship, either Tuesday or Thursday on the next.
No, it is for admission. We'll have it on Monday next.
No, so actually it was for disposal. That's why it was.
Monday
fixed.
we can be disposed of. What is the problem?
Lordship, if possible, after Monday.
Okay, Wednesday.
Lord.
Okay. A prayer for adjournment has been made on behalf of Miss R. Bora, Learned Standing Council, Agriculture Department, Para, list on Wednesday. Okay.
Hello, please.
With the consent of the other parties, my lord, I beg to mention item number 5, your lord.
Yes.
Wherefore the respondents 9 to 11.
Yes.
Mr. S. Bhattakur appears he is in bereavement, my lord. So kindly,
Okay.
The matter may be, I'm a petitioner, my lord. The matter may be fixed on, my lord, 14.
Potent is okay for you?
Lord.
Potent, yes. Our prayer for adjournment has been made on behalf of Sri S. Bhattakur, Learned Council, for the respond numbers 9 and 10. No, he is making the list. Accordingly, accordingly, matter is adjourned to be listed on Wednesday next date. 14th. Yes.
Interim order, my lord, that may be extended till the next date of listing.
Is there an interim order?
There is an interim.
Interim order passed earlier. Stands extended till the next date of listing. Okay.
Lord,
Please.
similarly, I pray for an adjournment in item number 12.
For Bhattakur?
Yes.
on a prayer made on behalf of 16 matter. Okay, we are fixing on Tuesday next. Tuesday next.
Much obliged.
On a prayer made on behalf of 3S Board of Learned Council for the petitioner. Matter is adjourned to be listed on Tuesday next. Now to appear to the
Can it be any other date other than 13th, May?
and 14th,
Sure.
Wednesday next.
May please your lordship, lordship, beg to mention for a listing of a matter, your lordship, the pensionary matter, lordship, may give any date, lordship.
Pension of which year?
Pension, they have retired in 2020.
No, the matter is of which year?
Matter is of 2022.
22,
There is
okay,
no
we'll
secretary-
have it on Friday.
This
Friday,
Friday, lordship.
yes.
Much obliged.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13.
4 years.
I'm making a joint to your lordship seeking for an accommodation for the day.
But 14, madam, is connected with 13.
Yes, your lordship.
13, have you informed the council in 13?
We will inform,
No, you have to take the consent. Both the matters are, we'll grant you the adjournment, but not now. You take the consent of 13, the 13 councils are different,
yes, your lordship.
okay?
Much obliged.
May I
Please.
please your lordship, my lord, with the consent from other side, I beg to mention item number 11, lordship.
Yes,
Kindly the matter may be adjourned for 1 week, lordship.
you're on behalf of whom?
Mr. NNB Chaudhary, lordship, he is out of station.
1 week will be difficult, madam, 15 matter, 9 years have gone. Okay, Monday next, Monday next.
Deeply.
Prayer for adjournment has been made on behalf of Sri NNB Chaudhary, Learned Council for the response number 6, para. Considering that this matter is of the year 2015, comma, do adjournment is granted, comma, matter is directed to be listed on Monday next. Date,
Deeply.
okay.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I pay for listing of one pending writ petition, lordship, any day in the next week,
Subject matter,
lordship.
subject matter,
Subject matter, is it was for non-consideration of their regularization of services and payment.
which year, matter of which year?
23.
Sorry, next.
Lordship, listing of IA for subscription, Lordship.
Okay, Friday,
May I please, Lordship, I beg to mention withdraw.
okay, Friday,
May I please your lordship prayer for listing matter pertains to non-payment of family pension.
pension, okay, Friday,
May it please the lordship, I would like to mention item number 20. I have taken consent from the
20.
20.
yes,
Here the records were called for with regard to three disciplinary proceedings. Those records are supposed to come from one from Dimasa, one from Lakhimpur, and another one from Tarang district. So none of those three records have actually.
Mr. Rafiq,
On 18/6/24, they have stated, they have received the record. With the
We
order.
have not received any. record.
he's making a statement, we'll grant some time, but 22 matter, we'll grant it 2 weeks time, get the records.
Yes, sir.
It is a disciplinary proceeding. What is the punishment?
When
imposed?
awarded the punishment of dismissal.
Dismissal, okay, we'll fix a date. It's for hearing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sri D. Bora, Learned State Council submits that the records of the disciplinary proceeding are yet to be received by him. And he accordingly prays for some time, full stop. Para. Considering the above, comma, matter is adjourned to be listed on today's third, no? On 22nd of August. Today is 2 weeks. 22nd of August to enable obtaining of the records,
Obliged.
22/8.
May I please, sir, I would like to mention on writ petition for listing regarding non-payment of family pension, Lordship.
Family pension, Friday.
Final.
Lordship, I have consent in item number 14. Lordship, they have already mentioned that Nardul has
13 and 14 connected, your lord.
30, we are on the 13 matter. Here for 13.
14.
No, 14 was already mentioned. 14 we did not grant adjournment because
Essence of
which matter was mentioned? 14 was mentioned already.
the lordship, I had mentioned item number 14. My senior-
14,
14, your lordship,
oh, you have mentioned 13.
on behalf of Mr. P. Mahanta. Lordship, there's water. leaking
Okay,
in
okay.
this area.
And madam, you are for 14.
This for
Yes,
14. your lord.
Okay, we adjourn. She's got some difficulty, okay? And Mr.
I
Bottle-
appear for the respondents in both the.
Okay, okay. Prayer for adjournment has been made on behalf of the petitioners. Full stop, considering that these matters are of the year 2017, comma, while adjournment is granted, comma, matter is directed to be listed on Tuesday next.
Yes.
Yes.
Tuesday will go for final disposal, 17 matter.
Sir.
Give date, Diba. Huh? Yes,
May I please, my lord? My lord, item number 19, my lord. With the consent of the other side, I am paying for adjournment for today, lord.
yeah, for the petition.
And for the petitioner.
Oil, who is appearing? Oil?
Mr. Sharma, A. Sharma,
You
it
have
has been
taken
informed.
consent, okay. When do you want?
My lord, on the next week possible.
Okay, a prayer for adjournment has been made on behalf of the petitioner. No, don't say, on a prayer for adjournment made by the petitioner, comma. Matter is directed to be listed on Tuesday next.
Yes, sir. I oblige, ma'am. May I please?
I have similar prayer for adjournment of item number 7, today's list.
7.
7. In this matter, Lordship, PWD department has filed a affidavit, Lordship. I pray for some time, Lordship, to file rejoinder update.
Okay, we'll grant time. Your Deep here, Sri Deep here Learned Counsel for the petitioner prays for and is granted 3 weeks time to file rejoinder affidavit. Okay. Yes. 3 weeks.
May I please, Your Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 8 and 9. Here in both these matters, we have received the pair-wise comment. We would like to file a affidavit here.
Inform the other side.
Also, I am appearing in item number 9, Lord.
And 8? 8 you have informed Mr. Bora.
I thought he was appearing for both.
No, you
Then
have to-
let the matter be called.
let the matter be reached.
Lordship, I also like to beg item number 15, 15,
Yes.
on the same ground.
15. Okay, what was the other matter you had mentioned?
Item
18.
number 18, 18, 15 and 18.
18 has already been listed, directed to be listed on Friday.
Yes, Lordship.
And the other, this one you are mentioning 15.
15.
Oh, this will have on Tuesday next.
Yeah.
It's a hearing matter, okay?
Okay.
On a prayer made on behalf of Sri P.D. Nair, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Matter is adjourned. It will be listed on Tuesday next. Mr. Nandi has been informed?
Lordship, actually, they were supposed to mention today, the respondent side, but since they are not available, so
No, but you should have to take the consent, whether they know about it.
oh, yes, Lordship, because they were supposed to take the mention
Okay.
and we'll inform them.
No, then make it on a joint prayer made on behalf of the parties. Matter is adjourned to be listed on Tuesday next.
Highly hope.
First, with the consent of the other side, I take to mention item number 2, Lord. Can you fix it on
Thursday, Your Lordship, 8.
Thursday, Lord?
Day after tomorrow.
Yes, Your Lord.
Mr. Loco, your name is not there?
Lordship.
Item number 2, you're for whom?
For CEC, Lordship.
Huh?
CEC.
Oh, madam, you're for the petition.
Yes, Your Lordship.
On a prayer made on behalf of the respondent, matter is adjourned to be listed on Thursday next,
Thursday.
8. Okay.
Deeply obliged.
May I please, Lord?
Lordship, this matter may be taken any other day. We will bring the report, Lordship.
You're for Apex Bank,
Apex Bank, Lordship. I am on behalf of my senior standing
Mr.
counsel.
Goswami,
J.K. Goswami.
J.K. Goswami. What is the matter about? Disciplinary?
Dismissal from service.
Okay, get the records.
Lordship.
21 matter we can take up for disposal, I think. Get the records.
Look.
When? Oh, we'll have it on Thursday next week, Thursday. Okay?
Next week, Thursday, perhaps 15th.
Oh, sorry, it will be 15th. Not be possible.
On
13th, we have fixed many matters.
or 9th, Malad, this Friday.
Friday, we can try.
Lordship, next week on any day.
Okay, we grant some time to have the records. We'll have it on 28th, 20.
So, Malad, 20th, I have some difficulty. It can,
Not
on-
28, 20, difficulty.
yes, that is 20 of August. Malad.
Okay.
I have some, on 14th, Malad, let us make an attempt on 20th.
14th, can you
14th.
get the records? 14th, 1 week.
Lordship.
14th.
A prayer for adjournment has been made on behalf of the Apex Bank on the ground that the records of the disciplinary proceeding would be obtained. Full stop. Sri S. Datta, Learned Senior Counsel is present for the petitioner. Para? Matter is accordingly adjourned to be listed on 14/8.
Published.
Yes.
Lordship, item 3 may be passed over for the day, Lordship. Due to personal difficulties, my senior is not present. Lordship.
When? Thursday?
Any other day next week,
Next week?
Thursday, Lordship.
Next Thursday? Next Thursday, I think it's 15th. Next Thursday is not possible. On 14th, same date.
Any other
14th, the
day
other
than
day, other
Tuesday,
matter we
Lordship.
are fixed on 14th. Let it be on
Lordship,
14th.
any other day than Tuesday, Lordship.
No, not Tuesday, Wednesday we are fixing, 14th.
Lordship.
Same, huh? On a prayer made on behalf of Sri J.K. Goswami,
Lord.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Matter is adjourned to be listed on 14th, 14/8. Yes. 8 you had mentioned.
Yes, my learned friend is appearing on item number 9, Your Lordship.
8, nobody's there.
Eight,
We'll
nobody.
run the prayer then. What do you want?
Just 2 weeks time to file the affidavit at some point.
8 also you have filed.
No,
And
both things.
one affidavit will file 2
Yes.
affidavits. One affidavit will
Same
do.
selection process.
Okay.
Okay.
It appears that in these 2 writ petitions, comma, the challenge pertains to the same selection process. Full stop. Para Sri D. Bora, Learned State Council, prays for and is granted 2 weeks time to file the affidavit in opposition. Full stop.
May I pay for it 8, Lordship?
24 matter, let him file 2 weeks we have said.
Okay. Obliged, sir. Obliged, sir.
May I please the Lord? I am appearing on behalf of Vibrogan Lordship. Petitioner has been working as an Anganwadi worker in different respective Anganwadi center, Lordship.
Okay.
In pursuance of the advertisement dated 16/9/2009, petitioner had applied for the state post, and accordingly, petitioner appeared in the interview. They were selected by the Child Development Project Officer, Dokwakhana, Lordship. And he had been joined as an Anganwadi worker in 15/6/2010, Lordship. And after that, Lordship, the respondent number 7 to 10 had preferred a writ petition before this Honorable High Court, and Honorable High Court was also directed the respondent authority to submit a inquiry report whether petitioner is in their such area or not, Lordship.
And then?
Then Lordship, inquiry report has submitted by the affidavit in opposition, Lordship. It is specifically stated that the petitioner were not
resident of the aforesaid
area, Lordship.
Now you are challenging that inquiry report.
Lordship.
What are your grounds? What are your grounds of challenge?
Lordship. I have no ground, Lordship, at this stage, Lordship. And petitioner number 1, Lordship, respondent number, Lordship.
Interim order was issued, Lordship, and on 3/8/15, Lordship. There is no interim order, Lordship.
Inquiry report is 3/8/15.
Lots of inquiry report was conducted on Lordship in the order dated on the 6th. Lordship.
3815 is the order
15 Lordship.
pursuant to the
Pursuant to the
inquiry.
inquiry.
Okay. Heard.
Mr. P.K. Gogoi.
You are not there on record, Mr. Gogoi?
Yeah, my name is not recorded.
Okay, doesn't matter. Heard Sri C.K. Gogoi, learned counsel appearing on instruction of Sri B. Buragohai
Yes, Lord.
for the petitioners. Also heard Sri A. Chakraborty, learned state counsel, para. The petitioners who are four in numbers had participated in a recruitment process for the post of Anganwadi workers in various Anganwadi centers under the Integrated Child Development Scheme project, Dhokwa in the district of Lakhimpur. Pursuant to an advertisement dated 16/9/2009. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioners that in the said recruitment, they were duly selected and were appointed in the respective Anganwadi centers. Full stop. The appointment of the petitioners were, however, the subject matter of challenge in a writ petition WPC 4359 of 2010. Full stop. The said writ petition was disposed of by this court by directing an inquiry to be made on the residential status
Lord.
of the petitioners. Full stop. Accordingly, inquiry was made, whereafter an order dated 15/7/2015 has been passed No, inquiry was made and a report was published, was issued on 15/7/2015. Full stop. In terms of the said report, the impugned order dated 3/8/2015 has been passed, whereby the petitioners have been discontinued from their service. Full stop. Sri Gogoi, the learned counsel for the petitioners, has submitted that no proper opportunity was granted to the petitioners in the inquiry, and accordingly, there was violation of the principles of natural justice. Full stop. He has also submitted that while the initial selection was done, a verification exercise was made and there was no doubt regarding their eligibility on the issue of residential status.
Lord.
Full stop. He accordingly submits that the impugned order, which is passed pursuant to such erroneous inquiry report, be interfered with and the petitioners be directed to be reinstated in their respective services. Full stop. Para. Per contra, Sri Chakraborty, learned State Council, has submitted that the enquiry was done pursuant to an order of this court. Full stop. He submits that if the petitioners were aggrieved by such order, comma, such order of this court, comma, they could have preferred any appeal which was not done, and therefore initiation and completion of the inquiry cannot be put to challenge. Full stop. It is submitted that the inquiry was a fact-finding inquiry only to ascertain the residential status of the petitioners. Full stop. He reiterates that it is an essential condition that to be appointed as an Anganwadi worker or an Anganwadi helper, comma, the incumbent should be from the same locality, as the very purpose of the scheme is to give necessary assistance to the children and the mothers. Full stop. It is submitted that the inquiry was properly done and it was found that the petitioners do not belong to their locality, and the said fact would go to the root of the matter by which their initial selection would not be sustained, cannot be sustained. Full stop. Para. The learned State Council has also informed that this writ petition is pending since the year 2015 and there is no interim order. And in the meantime, many developments have taken place, including appointments of new incumbents. Full stop. Para. This court has noticed that the private respondents had entered appearance and has also filed affidavit in opposition on 8/2/2019. However, none is present to represent them today. Full stop. Para. Be that as it may, comma, this court has proceeded with the matter. Full stop. Para. The ground of challenge is mainly on the issue of violation of the principles of natural justice in the inquiry. Full stop. At this stage, comma, it would be apposite to refer to the order dated 7/1/2013, whereby the appointments of the petitioners is this case 4359?
508.
4359, yes, was put to challenge. Full stop. The said writ petition was disposed of by this court on by order dated 7/1/2013 by directing an inquiry on the residential status of the present petitioners. Full stop. As rightly pointed out, comma, the said direction was not put to further challenge, and the inquiry was conducted in compliance with the aforesaid direction. Full stop. The inquiry culminated in a report and in an order dated 15 July 2015. Full stop. A bare perusal of the said order passed by the Director, Social Welfare would show that the inquiry was made with respect to 7 numbers of Anganwadi center, amongst which the petitioners are also connected. Full stop. It is seen that while it appears that the director had applied his mind inasmuch as separate considerations were made for each of the 7 centers vis-a-vis the nature of the allegations. Full stop. The director had taken the relevant factors into consideration, including the records and comparative statement of the marks obtained. Full stop. The residential aspects were also duly considered. Full stop. The said order was followed by the subsequent order is at 3/8/2015, whereby the petitioners were released from their services. Full stop. Para. This court being prima facie satisfied with the nature, with the mode and nature of the inquiry, in which the relevant factors have been taken into consideration, comma, no case for interference appears to be made out. Full stop. This court has also noted that almost a decade has passed, and in absence of any interim order, comma, the rights have crystallized upon the new incumbents who have been appointed in the said Anganwadi centers. Full stop. In view of the above, the petition is dismissed.
Okay, highly obliged.
May I please, your lordship? I pray for short recommendation in this matter, lordship. Arguing that Miss M. Kotoki has some difficulty, lordship, due to waterlogging, lordship. Lordship, can you
Matter of 17, we'll have it on Tuesday next.
Lordship.
Tuesday next.
Thursday or
Day after tomorrow.
next Thursday?
Day after tomorrow, is it
Sure.
okay? Okay. While Sri Bora, D. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner, is petitioner or petitioners?
Petitioner.
Petitioner is present, comma, and accommodation has been sought for on behalf of Miss M. Kotoki.
Sure.
Learned standing counsel,
Animal husband.
Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department. Full stop. Para. Accordingly, list on Thursday.
Lordship, I have a.
Her name may be shown, my lord.
Lordship.
Let the name of Miss M. Kotoki be reflected in the cause list.
Obliged.
Chief Justice.
Yes.
My lord, petitioner has already retired from service, my lord, in the year 2019. He was initially appointed as the casual employee.
Madam, you are for agriculture.
Yes. In the year 1982. And at the time of his appointment, he was paid only 60 rupees per day
1982,
as a daily wage earner, labor, casual labor.
daily wage, casual labor.
Yes.
Okay.
Under the establishment agriculture department at Sugarcane Development Nursery, Nagaon. And he has been paid his lump sum amount per day till the year 2005, February, at the rate of rupees 60 per day.
Per day.
Yes. And thereafter, from March 2005 till the date of his retirement, his salary, his wage has not been paid.
From
March 2005. And he has retired from service on 30/11/2019
March 2005 till what?
till 30/11/2019. Date of retirement. The department has taken step for regulations. In the meantime, Upendra's judgment has also come out, my lord. And
From 2005 to 2000,
19, date of retirement. 30/11/2019, date of
14
retirement.
years without salary,
Yes, ma'am.
you could survive.
My lord, department has taken step. They have sent the proposal.
No, 14 years without salary, can you survive? Were you working?
Yes, my lord, only 60 rupees or 70 rupees.
No, 60 has been
Yes.
stopped.
That has been stopped.
From 2005, you are not paid a single penny.
Yeah, no,
Can you survive for 14 years without any salary?
Somehow, my lord, this is my pet. My lord. Then, my lord, you
Not
lordship.
believable. Not at all believable.
Lordship,
Then, my lord, best.
You are not on duty. Why should you work for 14 years without salary?
My lord, department has taken step up to 2014-15 for release of my salary.
But did you get?
No, my lord.
Then?
Then I submitted representation in the year 2018.
Yes, Bora.
And they have
Lordship, in this case, the petitioner has filed an affidavit in reply, Lordship. They have not annexed true copy in the police petition, Lordship, and department has no record of such, Lordship. So when we received the affidavit in reply, some communication has been annexed, Lordship. I have not received any instruction regarding this matter, Lordship. And inquiry has been initiated, Lordship, because what we have received from the Parawise comment, it was very concise, Lordship. That's why director initiated inquiry, and it is found that he was a casual labor. When required, he was engaged in this farm, Lordship. But due to non-availability of record, his demand has not been considered, Lordship. That is the final. We does not received any proper record of his engagement, Lordship. That's why his wage has not been.
Where is your
released, Lordship.
retirement?
My lord, page 41, this is the inquiry report. They have
Where is your retirement?
retirement 30/10.
Where?
No, they have also mentioned, my lord.
No, where is your retirement letter? Let us see.
Letter is not there, my lord.
Yeah.
Page 44 of their inquiry report.
44.
Yes, from 41, they have admitted that I have been working under the sugar development nursery. My lord, from page 39.
Outcome of the findings, see, from the inquiry.
My lord, page 41, you lordship section.
Page
Lordship,
40.
in
Yes.
the inquiry process also, he did not submit any documents, Lordship.
My lord, page
After-
41, last paragraph, serial number 2, Mr. So-and-so. He has no record of engagement of MD Mohammad Bilaluddin is seasonal masteral worker. He also mentioned that the record may be displaced.
Page 41, para.
Last paragraph, paragraph 2,
Oh.
serial number 2.
Hmm.
He also mentioned that the record may be displaced or missing as quoted by Sugarcane Development Officer during 2014 in a certificate dated 6/1/2014. He also stated that the service of Mohammad Bilaluddin was utilized as daily laborer on seasonal basis. In his statement, record of engagement of Mohammad Bilaluddin as night chowkidar at Borama Sugarcane Nursery was found in a certificate so-and-so. My lord, they have not denied that I was not working, my lord.
No,
Till-
these are the summary of the interview. Comes
Yes.
the findings.
My lord, only
Outcome of findings, page 42.
page 45, this is the conclusion.
No, 42. Outcome and findings.
My lord, from the inquiry by so-and-so could be determined
Date of engagement.
date of engagement 82, 83.
Daily labor. No continuous record
It
found.
was the daily labor.
Yes, but daily labor. I'm daily labor. I'm not claiming for now regulation. I have already retired
No,
from
daily
service.
labor till 85, you have been paid.
Up to 2005, I've been paid. In my affidavit, there are a lot of communication, my lordship.
No, there is no record of your engagement. You show us a record.
My lord, there are some certificate, my lord, issued by the authority, my lord.
Certificates will not do.
My lord, initially, my name was reflected in the daily wage, my attendance, my lord, page 53 of my reply.
53.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This is to certify that Mohammad Bilaluddin, son of Toncho, as master or laborer on daily wage basis in Borama, Sugarcan Nursery under this establishment, whatever from April 82. Then next paragraph 54.
And what is this? This is of 82.
From 82, this certificate was issued in the year 2000. Then, my lord, page 54.
No, you have said on your own that till 2005, you have got the salary.
Yes,
The
wait.
cause of action is after 2005.
Yes.
Show us after 2005.
Next, my lord, page 54. Last sentence.
Yes.
Due to paucity of funds, the following mentioned periods payment could not be made, but his service was utilized in those mentioned periods, and also from 2005 till now. This certificate was issued by the authority. ma'am.
Yes, the date, what is the date?
I think it is 2010.
Who is this authority?
My lord, Sugarcane Development Officer, under whose jurisdiction I was working.
He,
Then, my lord,
he can give an author letter, certificate.
Then, my lord, page 56. In 2006, it was sent to the Director of Agriculture for regulation of.
This is not 2010, this is
2000.
My lord, this is page 54, 2010. Page 55, 2010. Page 56.
Page 50.
Page 56 for regulation. Then page 57. This is important, my lord. Page 57. Sugarcane Development Officer also wrote a letter to the Director of Agriculture. Paragraph 2. He had been paid wage as per government norm up to February 2005, but due to non-availability of fund. Serial number 2. In this
Who is
office,
this officer who's attested 54? 55 is what? Certificate dated?
5/5/2010. Same officer, man. Then page 55.
Okay, wage earner and secretary under.
Page 57.
Now, okay, this is your engagement. Where is the letter that you have not been given salaries?
Malat page 57.
57.
Yes, ma'am. Serial number 2. This is the letter of 2009.
By same officer.
Same officer. Then my bill has been prepared. Then, my lord, page 61. This is a Director of Agriculture to the government. So many letters, my lord. In the year 2012. Director has written a letter to the government for only enlisting the name of the petitioner in the office of the Sugarcane Development Officer.
58 is 2010.
Yes. Then in the year 2013 also there are some documents which was not annexed. I can produce. It's 2013.
2000, what is the 58? How is it connected to you?
Minus 58 is the salary statement requirement of fund. It was
How is it connected to you?
only there is only one daily wage earner under the establishment Sugar Development Officer. With reference to the above, I have the honor to request you to provide an so and so. That period has been mentioned from 1 to 2005 to.
This is for one number of night watchmen.
That is myself, man.
Lordship, his designation was never confirmed, Lordship. As a daily
Night
was
watchman,
never,
daily wage.
it cannot be ascertained, Lordship, whether it's
since 1982 continuously
And
up
this
till now.
person, this
First
was,
paragraph, last sentence.
although in the inquiry, he was, sugarcane development officer was communicated, but he has not present, Lord.
You had made an inquiry.
The present-
Yes.
Where?
So, Mr. Lolit Chandra Das,
Yes.
he has not present in the inquiry.
Which
process.
inquiry?
Inquiry conducted by the department Lordship on 27 July 2023.
Where do you get? Have you filed affidavit?
Yes, Lordship.
Where is the affidavit?
In affidavit,
They have only annexed an inquiry report, nothing else.
Page?
did not,
Page 39 onwards.
page 41 Lordship, summary of evidence and statement Lordship.
Yes.
The following person did not turn for the interview. Deepak Pahoy, IC District Agriculture Officer, Nagaon, during the period of 4/11/2019. Sri Lolit Chandra Das, ex Sugarcane Development Officer, during the period of 5/12/2012.
Mhm.
That's it. Kindly peruse affidavit in reply, page number 58. Letter was from Lolit Chandra Das. And problem was that, Lordship, in inquiry, petitioner has not produced these documents, Lordship.
Hmm.
None of his documents he has produced, only
Mhm.
two
Hmm.
daily attendance of July 1985 and October 25. He only produced these documents, Lordship. We have
Not-
clearly stated that
That is the 2013 letter, government letter, my lord, issued to the director for enlisting the name of.
Inquiry has been properly done, Mr. Sharma.
My lord, they have not denied, my lord, that I am not entitled
No,
and I
there,
am not
there,
working.
there is no official record after 2005.
My lord, why the records
Except the
are,
letters, and he did not come up, this sugar
Malad-
development officer, he
Malad,
should have
page-
come.
page 41, the
Yes.
officer has mentioned
Yes.
that he also mentioned that the record may be displaced or missing. So I am
Yes.
not responsible, my lord, for no record. There are so many records I have provided, my lord.
Lordship,
What are the records? Those are the letters which have written on your behalf. Where is your appointment letter?
Appointment at that time, 1982, I am daily.
Thereafter, daily labor, night chukidar,
Yes,
you should have some appointment letter.
up to 2005, I have received, my lord.
Sorry. Third,
My lord, let it come after tomorrow. They have not
Not-
yet taken a decision, my lord. They have
not at all, not at all.
they have not taken any
Not at all,
decision.
not at all. There appears to be something else. This officer is hell-bent
Like they have
and
not.
writing letters after letters.
My
I think you should draw up a proceeding against this
my
officer.
lord, government also written a letter. My
Without
lord,
official records, why is he writing letters?
my lord, government letter. This is a government letter. My lord, just have a look, my lord.
Page,
Yes, my lord, I have just handed over.
what is this government letter?
Enlisted the name of Bilal. This is 2013.
Yes.
Thereafter also,
That request to submit SD proposal for regulation proposal.
thereafter proposal also submitted.
That inquiry has been done. This is a letter of 2013.
My lord, thereafter
And,
in the year 2023, they have
and
submitted
this
that.
is on a petition filed by you
Yes,
on
my lord.
regularization.
Not-
Sorry.
In the meantime, my lord, just give me a chance, my lord.
We have given enough chance, 2018 matter.
My lord, then, my lord, I may be allowed to challenge this inquiry report, my lord.
You can. You can. In fact, that is the best course. That's a fact-finding inquiry. You can challenge.
That may be given liberty.
Okay. If you want to withdraw this and challenge it, then
Do not-
do not express any merits in the opinion
No,
of
they
the
have
merits.
not taken a decision on the basis of, this is an inquiry report.
Inquiry done on the issue involved before us. It's a fact-finding inquiry. You can put it to challenge. This letter is now have no consequence. It's a
2000
letter, it's a letter on your application for regularization.
Thereafter, I am waive my prayer for regulation.
Heard. Three. Ann Sharma Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Ms. Bora, J. Bora,
Zibora.
G. Bora, learned counsel appearing for the Agriculture Department, Learning Council Agriculture Department. Full stop, para. The matter pertains to a claim for salaries for the period 2005 to 2019 for the service rendered as a daily wager. Full stop. It is the projected case that the petitioner was a master role worker in the sugarcane development nursery, Shilongoni, in the district of Nagaon. Full stop. He claims to have been engaged as night watchman since April 1982 at a daily wage of ₹60. Full stop. The petitioner relies upon certain certificates issued by the Sugarcane Development Officer regarding his engagement. Full stop. The petitioner had also raised the issue of regularization of his service by claiming that he was engaged prior to 1/4/1993. Full stop. Sri Sharma has drawn the attention of this court to certain communications on the issue of regularization. Full stop.
I give up, my lord, regularization.
No,
I
no,
have-
you have read. We'll say later.
After,
It is there, Lord.
after Upendra's judgment, I can.
No, that will say, don't worry. However, comma, Sri Sharma has also contended that in the year 2019, the petitioner has superannuated and the salaries for the period 2005 to 2019 has not yet been released. Full stop. Para. The Learned Council has, however, submitted that so far as the issue of regularization of service is concerned, comma, after the judgment rendered by the Honorable Division Bench in the case of State of Assam versus Upendas so and so, comma, he will stick his claim to the aspect of arrears of pay only. Full stop. Para. Sri Sharma has drawn the attention of this court to the affidavit in reply filed on 28/3/2024, along with which certain documents have been enclosed. Full stop. He submits that the same documents would show would demonstrate the fact of his engagement, and therefore a direction may be issued for release of his salaries. Full stop.
Wages.
Wages. Full stop. Per contra, comma. Ms. Bora, the Learned Standing Council, has submitted that the present claim it has to be based on certain documents, and the petitioner has not been able to place any reliable documents regarding his engagement, continuity in service, and the aspect of retirement. Full stop. She submits that except from certain certificates issued by the Sugar Development Officer, comma, Sugarcane Development Officer, comma, there is not a single document which would support the claim of the petitioner. Full stop. The Learned Council for the department has specifically drawn the attention of this court to the report of an inquiry conducted on the aspect of the claim of the petitioner. Full stop. The said inquiry, which culminated in the report, has been enclosed as Annexure 2 to the affidavit in opposition. Full stop. By referring to the same, comma, the learned standing counsel has submitted that the documents upon which the claim has been based are mainly issued by one Lalit Chandra Das, who was the sugarcane development officer, and he was called in the interview, in the inquiry, as his views and authority for issuing such certificate was of grave importance. Full stop. However, comma, the said officer did not attend the inquiry. Full stop. The inquiry report has reached a finding that there was no record of continuous service from 1982 to March 1993. Full stop. Though the inquiry has also taken into account the certificates issued by the sugarcane development officer and has come to a finding that such certificate has not annexed any government record. Full stop. The learned counsel accordingly submits, and the learned counsel has also submitted that there is neither any appointment letter which could be demonstrated, nor any letter of superannuation. Full stop. Under those circumstances, comma, the claim appears to be without any basis, and therefore the writ petition is liable to be dismissed. Full stop. Para. In his rejoinder, comma, the learned counsel for the petitioner has relied upon that part of the inquiry report
Paragraph 41.
wherein it has been stated that certain records were misplaced or missing. Full stop. It is submitted
My service has been utilized.
that since his service has been utilized, comma, salaries cannot be denied. Full stop. Para. The claim for salaries is from March 2005 to 2019. Full stop. The writ petition was instituted in the year 2018. Full stop. A person who claims to have been rendering his service continuously cannot be expected to survive for long 14 years. Full stop. In any case, comma, apart from there being no records whatsoever, apart from the, in any case, comma, apart from the, in any case, comma, except certain certificates towards the engagement of the petitioner, comma, it is not at all trustworthy or convincing that a person could survive for long 14 years without payment of salaries and yet did not knock the doors of the court at a much earlier period. Full stop. As rightly pointed out, there is no letter of engagement and neither any letter of engagement nor any letter of superannuation from service. Full stop. This court is also of the opinion that when there is a fact-finding inquiry which is against the petitioner and the same till now is not under challenge, this court, the writ court cannot grant any relief. Full stop. Ultimately, the dispute is a factual one, and the affidavit filed by the department has in clear terms stated that since there were no records of engagement, of the engagement of the petitioner, the claim cannot be justified. Full stop. In view of the aforesaid facts and circumstances, this court is of the considered opinion that no relief can be granted to the petitioner. Full stop. The petition is accordingly dismissed. Full stop. It is, however, observed that the petitioner will be at liberty to challenge the report of the inquiry, if so advised.
But instead of dismiss, dispose of matter, right? I'll approach the authority,
You
challenging the inquiry report.
You have to challenge it in the court. Mr. Ganguly, which matter?
Hello.
We cannot do anything for waterlogging, sorry.
Normal. I find matter is already mentioned, item 15. What has happened in this case? My name is not there in the respondent.
1-5.
1-5. My lord, it has been listed now on 13-8. The petitioner apparently didn't inform us. Mr. Nandi was
appearing.
Yes, Mr. Nandi was appearing. But there is apparent conflict of interest as far as Mr. Nandi has informed the bank because he's also appearing against the bank in certain other matter.
You will be appearing for Langpi.
I'll be appearing, but there's another factor. Langpi's name has to be changed, Malu, because there is amalgamation in 2019. Quite strange that the petitioner, who is himself, he was a employer officer, but he has not informed.
Okay, next occasion.
On 13th,
13th, your file,
I'm going to.
you file it.
I'll file.
Then take a track of this matter or Asuni matter.